Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the screen color mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, and we're going to scroll down until we find display. Click on display and then scroll down to screen mode. So select screen mode, and here you have two options. So vivid, which basically just makes the colors a little more saturated, and natural, which is like the basic option. You can also scroll through these like examples of how it's going to look and just compare both of the options. And also in vivid you have the white balance, so you can make it cooler, like more bluish, and warm, so more orange. But you also have the advanced settings where you can just tweak these settings yourself, like that. So once you're done, you can just exit out and the settings will be set automatically. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.